All right, welcome back everyone. So today we are gonna be doing our Forex midweek analysis. We're gonna be reviewing the video that I gave you guys on Saturday, which was the pre-week, and the video that I also give you guys on Sunday. So let me show you the logo of the pre-week so you can have a look at it. This was the thumbnail that I put on the pre-week, and the other thumbnail that I gave you for our weekly forecast was this one. So we're gonna be reviewing these two videos, and we're gonna be putting it into the after production right now. Okay, so let's go, let's get to work. Let's see what the market is doing, and you can judge it for yourself. All right, so we're gonna start with our Saturday video first. This is what I told you guys on Saturday. I said the market was not ready yet, guys, to be in a sell position right away. The market in that time on Saturday for Monday and Tuesday, market was gonna be in a buy position. I thought the market was gonna come back and reverse back. Oh, let me grab the right tool because I don't want to confuse you. I want to keep this very sweet and very clean. That market was gonna come back and meet almost our 38 Fibonacci line. From there, I thought the market was gonna drop. No, the market went more than expected. So the market came all the way, retesting your golden area Fibonacci, which is your 68 Fibonacci line. So it's fine. So market went bullish. So if I had to reanalyze this market again, guys, remember the market here is selling. So Euro GBP is in a sell position. This is what our TWE sniper entry is letting us know here, that we are selling. So all I have to say is now the market is on the move, it's on the go. So it's doing exactly what it's supposed to do at this present time. So I don't see anything that market is doing. So basically it's selling at this present time. So market is going in favor of your TWE sniper entry. So this pair here is good. I don't see anything, unless if you do see it, but it's bearish at this present time. All right, let's go to our Gbp Usd. The next pair that I did give you guys on our Saturday video was the following. I don't know if any of you guys trade Gbp Usd, but in case you did, well, this is what I told you guys on Saturday. So basically it's doing exactly what I told you. I said the market was gonna retrace back, and it's just dancing in that area. So look at here. So I thought I said the market was gonna still retrace back. Look at that, perfect hits. And then I said from there market was gonna retrace back. So right now it's doing it. So all I can say is market, if it dropped, this is gonna come back to your 38 Fibonacci line. So it's just doing exactly what I told you at this present time. I don't see anything new. It's just doing what it's supposed to do. But remember, guys, market at this point here, it is bullish. Okay, so please, for those that are trading this one, if you are on this retreat, on this pullback here, market is just doing a retracement. So and then what do you think it's gonna do? It can just go from right where it is. It can do the following, guys. It can just boop, go bullish, because remember, market here is bullish. See that bullish position in there? So it's just going on in one direction. Fair enough. One quick reminder to everyone, tomorrow I will be doing a live streaming, guys. Come and ask question if you want. So we're gonna do it on YouTube, so you can type whatever pair you want and the world can see it. All right, and our Forex disclaimer is the following, guys. I'm not your financial advisor. Most importantly here is not to invest any money that you cannot afford to lose. You can win big, and you can also grow your account if you don't know how to do this stuff. Okay, so it's pretty easy. There's no magic here, guys. Pay attention to Usd Jpy. Pay attention. So far, these two pairs that I gave you guys on Saturday, I mean, they're pretty good. So the month of May, guys, this is it. This is the last week. So next week is gonna be mixed. It's gonna be half week of May, and the rest is gonna be on June. But remember, we have a holiday coming in on the 31st. So most likely, market will be performing very slow the next day, because I think holiday is on Monday. Yes, I think it's on Monday. So there will be no trading day on Monday. Market will be pretty much close, and you're gonna start seeing the market open back again on Tuesday. All right, so pay attention what AUD JPY is doing, guys. everybody got scared on this one. Market, I just re-entered this guy here. This engulfing candle here, if it was a fake out, it took my trailing stop, it took me out. I'm not gonna deny it. Boom, took me out, and then guess what happened? Boom, market drop again. Why? Look at what our TWE sniper entry is telling us here. Oh, we are selling. Look at our multiple time frame here. It's telling us we are selling. And look at what the market is doing. Look at that. Look at that. Perfect. 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 Trend line in there. Boom. It got touched and it retraced back down. So this is what I told you guys on Sunday, guys. Don't say that I didn't do it. On Saturday, not Sunday. No, we're not on the Sunday video yet. I say on Saturday, the market is gonna continue down. Boom, look at that perfect hit. Look at this, guys. Look what I told you. Look what the market came and hit. Boom, right what I told you. Perfect, freaking perfect hit. From there, what else did I say? I said the market is gonna go back up all the way, retesting your 61 to your 50 Fibonacci line. Nope, the market came all the way to your 38.2 Fibonacci line, which is fine, guys. Do you think it's now it's gonna do for the rest of the week? All I can say, guys, that for the rest of the week, right now we are selling this bad boy. So right now we're in a sell mode. So far this pair here is good. I don't see anything wrong, unless if you do see it. If you do see it, please comment below or send me a message, or I can bring you tomorrow into a live streaming and you can ask me. But this is good. Alright, so this was the video that I gave you guys on Saturday, which was our pre-week. So hopefully for those that saw this video, this is the pre-week. So now we are gonna be showing you the following. Now I'm gonna show you the Forex weekly forecast. This was the Sunday video. Alright, so now you saw before and after. Alright, so now let's go ahead and start with EURUSD. This is what I told you guys on Sunday. I said on Sunday, guys, the market, it is bullish. For those that disagree with me, well, here is the proof. The proof here says that multiple time frame is in a buy position. Our brand new TWE sniper entry is also in a buy position. And look at the stairs. The stairs are still going in one damn direction, and that direction is what? Boom, bullish. So this is what I said on Sunday. I said on Sunday, guys, the market is gonna retrace back, retesting our mid 23 to our 38 Fibonacci. Look at that perfect hit, guys. Look at this one. You seeing it? Look at this one. Boom. Look where the market came. Market came right where I told you. Then from there, why did I say that? Because there is evidence here from our brothers and sisters from a multiple time frame, even for our TWE sniper entry, the market is gonna touch this area here. Perfect. So market came and touched this area from here, and then what? Market retraced back. I said it was gonna be our 23 to our 0 Fibonacci. I don't see anything wrong, guys. Right now, what EURUSD is doing at this present time, guys, right now the market, it is selling. It's going against our TWE sniper entry. But yes, the market in this position here is accurate. If I have to analyze this pair all over again from this point on for the remainder of the week, all I can tell you is the market is gonna continue as a sell position, most likely for the rest of the week. All right. Hopefully this does make sense. If you do have any question, please send me a private message. The link is below. Send me a message if you want to discuss this further, or either you can come in tomorrow on a live streaming so we can knock it off together as a family. All right, so let's go ahead and continue with our Canadian CHF. Remember this bad boy here? Oh my goodness, guys, this is new. This was not ready. On Sunday, I just realized it, and look at this. We are officially selling this guy here. Look at this. Our multiple time frame is telling us, oh, we are selling. Our brand new TWE sniper entry is telling us that we are selling. Look at the stairs. Boom, boom, boom. This is what I told you guys on Sunday. I said, guys, the market is gonna do a small retracement, retesting all the way up. Perfect hit. Look at this golfing candle here. Then from there, market is gonna be selling. Why? Look at this. Seeing it? It's that simple. So market here is selling. So far guys, look, we analyzed what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs. 5 pairs are pretty good, guys. Month of June, we're in June, May, not June. So far guys, we're doing great. What about the next one? What about gold? Who trade gold? I told you gold was still gonna be bullish. I thought market was gonna retrace back, but no. Right? Why? This is what I want everyone to pay close attention. Look at how our TWA sniper entry with our multiple time frame works so freaking awesome. Look at this. We knew the market here was bullish since a long time. I've been giving you this pair for a very long time. Look at here. Look at what our system is telling us here. Oh, Irvin, we are all selling up. Perfect. Perfect. That's what it says, right? I mean, you're seeing it. So now the question here is, what did I say on Sunday? I said on Sunday, guys, market is not ready yet to drop. Market is still gonna give us another 15, 20 more pips. Look at this. So market give you even more. It went all the way to the top. There's another level that I cannot see at this present time. I'm not gonna analyze this one with detail. But yes, the market was fine, and then from there, right at this present time, right now, gold is selling, guys. So gold is giving us a sell position. That's why you seen here on a dashboard, you are seeing the market, it is selling. Look at that, 5 minutes, 50 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour market is selling. So right now, if I had to reanalyze gold, I would tell you that most likely gold is gonna be in the mode to drop for the remainder of the week. But remember guys, this is not signals. This is just educational purpose. Go back to the system and reanalyze it on your own. But so far guys, look, it makes me feel so good, guys. You know, the pair that I'm in, I'm in those in 2 pairs. I'm on AUD Jpy. It took me out. AUD USD also took me out on the trailing stop, and then guess what? Bam! Market drop. You're gonna see it. I already analyzed AUD Jpy. Now you're gonna see AUD USD, and you're gonna see the system is on point. Alright, the next pair that I gave you guys on Sunday was USD Jpy. I told you everyone, market is selling in this bad boy here, but market was gonna do a PV at this present time. So pay close attention here. Our multiple time frame here told us, oh Urban, we are selling. Our TWA sniper entry told us here we are selling. So this is what I said on Sunday. I said on Sunday, guys, the market is not ready yet. I'm sorry, market is gonna drop down, retesting our 50 Fibonacci line. Look at that, mid 50 Fibonacci line. Perfect hit, guys. Perfect hit. From there, I said, guys, market is gonna continue and do a retracement, a pullback, retesting your 61 to your 78 Fibonacci. Look at where it's sitting at real time right now. Market is doing exactly what I told you. So right now, the market is getting ready for that leg of a drop. Look at this one. Once this one is ready, what do you think the market is gonna do? The market is gonna go in favor of this sell position here, but it's getting ready. Okay, it is getting ready. So far guys, look at this. This is the before and after. This is the beauty of how trading with multiple time frame, because you come in today on Wednesday and say, you know what, yet it took me out. Yes, it took my trailing stop. If it takes your trailing stop, guys, that's a blast to get out on this and any trade, but you're gonna be guaranteeing some pip instead of going in negative on your account, because that's not what I'm here for. I'm here to make pips. Right, the other pair that I gave you guys on Sunday that I told you that I was gonna be trading this week is AUD USD. I already gave you AUD Jpy. Look at this guy. All the pairs that I did give you, the system really worked out. So this is what I said on Sunday, guys. I said, guys, market is not ready yet for the drop. Even though the system was telling me here the market is selling. Look at this one. I knew this market is selling. That's what I told you I was gonna be on this guy in a sell position. This huge engulfing candle here is the one who took my trailing stop, and I was like, damn, boom, I got out. I said, damn. And then there's nothing I can do, but I did guarantee some pips out of it. Not a lot, but because it took me out. Now, what did I say on Sunday? I said, guys, the market is gonna come back and retest your 50 to your 38 Fibonacci line, and it came all the way to your mid 38 to your 23 Fibonacci line for what? Look at what happened. Right at this time, our red arrow, our multiple time frame red arrow forming here in favor of what? In favor of the sales that are popping in this location here. Same thing in here, same thing on your dashboard, and look at that drop. Boom, it dropped. That's why you see everything here selling. So still, don't get me wrong, if this pair here is gonna continue selling for the remainder of the week. I don't see anything yet telling me, oh, Irvin. And by the way, guys, if for my team, go back to your weekly is selling. AUD USD on your weekly time frame is selling. On your daily time frame is selling. On your 4 hours is selling. On your 1 hour is selling. Everywhere else is selling, guys. Everywhere else is selling. Trust me. Go back, do this analysis for you so you can see it on your own, and send me a private message on the chat room, and I will be more than happy to tell you. But this pair here is great. It took me out on the trending stop, and I re-entered, guys. I'm on this one again. I re-entered on this one because I knew it did. I went to my chart and I saw when it took me out that it did not break this high here. So I said, well, I'm still selling this guy. I knew I was gonna sell anyway. But I was like, okay, it didn't break this one, so it's not gonna, I'm gonna put another position, and then boom, look at the drop. I think Billy sent in a screenshot to the chat room, and I said that I was gonna re-enter when it's ready, and I was gonna let you guys know. I totally forgot. I was in the middle of something, but I'm on this guy again and again. All right, so today we are putting together, guys, our weekly, our Sunday video, right? This was our Sunday video, and the video that I gave you guys on Saturday, which was our Forex pre-week forecast. So we putting these two together, and we making one mid-week analysis, analyzing both into one, and let the market do his magic. Tomorrow, guys, tomorrow we are gonna be doing a YouTube live streaming. Please come and join us, ask questions, and maybe I will leave it for another 2-3 hours on the live streaming so you can see what the market is doing and so on. So we're gonna review any pair that you had in mind. I don't know what it's gonna be, to be honest. All right, so thank you, guys. God bless you. God bless the United States, and stay safe. Hasta la vista. Peace out.